Control your laziness, and you'll understand how much success you've been avoiding. Laziness is a silent thief. It steals your time, your energy, your dreams. Every time you say, "I'll do it later," success slips further away. But when you silence those excuses and take action, you realize the power you've had all along. Discipline creates results. Movement creates momentum. Stop waiting for motivation. Create it. The only thing standing between you and greatness is your comfort. Destroy it. Dominate your habits. Because once you control your laziness, you'll see how much success was just waiting on the other side. Vazen is a synonym of greatness. If you're following us, you're stepping towards greatness.